The Panathenaic Games were a major sporting event in ancient Greece. They were held every 4 years in Athens in honor of the goddess Athena. The games included foot races, wrestling, boxing, chariot racing, and other events. The Panathenaic Stadium can seat up to 60,000 spectators and is made of marble. The stadium of the first modern Olympic Games was not built at the location of the original stadium of the ancient Greek Olympic Games. The original stadium of the ancient Greek Olympic Games was located in Olympia, Greece. The first modern Olympic Games were held in Athens, Greece. The Panathenaic Stadium was originally built in the 4th century BC and was used for the Panathenaic Games, a religious festival held in honor of the goddess Athena. The stadium was restored in the 19th century and was the site of the first modern Olympic Games in 1896. The stadium is located within walking distance of many other major attractions in Athens, such as the Acropolis, the Parthenon, and the Temple of Zeus. The Panathenaic Games is also well served by public transportation, making it easy to get to and from the stadium.